back to another exciting round of Sort That 2D Shape. We've got 5 beautiful 2D shapes here today. Let's see if you can sort them. Let's see. I'm gonna have to remember the sides, the numbers, the names. Okay, I remember that the name of the shape is based on how many sides the shape has. So maybe I should count the sides first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. What is a 5-sided shape called? Do you remember? Pentagon, that's right. Awesome. How many sides does this shape have? 1, 2, 3, 4. A 4-sided shape. Oh, please tell me you remember this. 4-sided shapes are all called quadrilaterals. What about this one? Kind of a wonky little shape. How many sides though? 1, 2, 3, 4. A 4-sided shape is called a quadrilateral. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Another quadrilateral. And this shape is 1, 2, 3. That's our good old triangle. Perfect. Now that I've taken the time to slow down and count my shapes, count my sides, right? I'm so prepared and confident now to look at my options. Because sometimes when I see all this, it looks like too much all at once, and I just want to, let me just pick one because I don't want to read them all. But what did we do? I counted first. I counted my sides first, and now I know what each shape is, and I feel so much more confident to then check to see which of these options match what I already know. So A, let's see, 1 triangle, yeah, that's right. 3 quadrilaterals, is that right? 1, 2, 3, yes, so far so good. And 1 hexagon, oh, what was this one called again? I remember the hexagon was X like a 6, so that can't be right, no. What about B, 1 triangle, yes. And 4 quadrilaterals, no, we only have 3. So can't be B. Must be C, but let's still double check. We want to always slow down and double check our work, right? 1 triangle, check. 3 quadrilaterals, check, check, and check. And how about our pentagon? Yes! So our answer is C. I hope you knew that, I hope you got that, and join us next time for another Sort That 2D or 3D shape.